Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the unit settings in Rhino. First of all, I will go to here and right click it. You will see unit settings, click it, and then you will see this panel. It says units and tolerance. You can change your units right here from model units. You can change it from millimeter, for example, to centimeters. I have a separate video talking about absolute tolerance, which is super important. You can find that in description. And then I will hit OK. Now, this pop-up shows two options. It says model units change from millimeter to centimeters, which is exactly what we want. And then the first option is change unit system only, which is a 1 millimeter box becomes a 1 centimeter box. Okay, so that means we are actually scaling this model or this box up for 10 times on all the directions, right? You never choose this unless in one occasion, which is you have drawn everything in the right number, but you just realize that the scale or the unit is wrong. Okay, so then in that case, you choose this option. In every other case, well, you choose change unit system and maintain object sizes. That means a 1 millimeter box becomes a 0.1 centimeter box. Well, they are still exactly the same size, right? Just they have been changed to another unit. Okay, so you are measuring that with a different ruler, but the size itself maintains the same. And also, it says this will break history on annotations and other geometry. That's fine. And then I'll hit OK. So let's show you a quick example. If I am drawing a rectangle, and then I will click 0, I'll click 1, 0, and then hit space, typing 1, 0 again. So I have drawn a rectangle that is 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Okay. And then if I right click here, click unit settings, and change it to meters, for example, and then I hit OK. If I choose change unit settings only, and then I'll hit OK, what does that mean? That means this becomes a 10 meters by 10 meters box, right? We can check that by typing taper, and then from here to here, you can see right here, it says 10 meters, okay? However, if we come back here and click unit settings, change it to meters and hit OK. And then I will click this one, change unit system and maintain object sizes, and then hit OK. Then I will come over here and I will type in taper. It says 0.1 right here, okay? Focus on this point. If I put my point here, it says 0.1 meter. So in that case, the size of this rectangle has not been changed at all because 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters is exactly 0.1 meter by 0.1 meter. Okay, so that's the differences. Thank you so much for your attention, and I'm looking forward to see you in our next tutorial.